Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be sharing with you guys how I made the single layer hair bonnet. So if you're interested, keep watching the video until the end and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, for this project I'll be making use of this relief fabric from my previous video on how to make a wrap top. So please go check that out. So these are the materials I'll be making use of. I have my tip here, and then I also have a matching thread. I have scissors here with me and also chalk that I'll be drawing the measurement with, and a safety pin and also an elastic band that I'll be using. So let's get right into this video. So I've gone ahead to open up the fabric and then I folded it into two, and then I'll still be folding again into two, making it four. So I will just go ahead and arrange everything to be equal. So I've basically folded everything into four. So I will just neatly arrange everything now. So from the upper side, that pointed edge, I'll actually be taking a round circle of about 11 inches. So that's how wide this piece of fabric is. So I'll be using the whole measurement, which is 11 inches. So I'll just go ahead and mark the 11 inches round. I'll mark it round with my chalk. So we'll just go ahead and connect all the points together now. So the next thing to do is to just cut out everything now. I will just use my scissors and then follow the marked lines to cut out everything. So guys, this is basically what I have after cutting out everything now. This is how the circle is actually looking, okay? So the next thing I'll actually be doing is I'll be weaving these edges. I'll take it to a weaving machine and then weave around the edges. But in case if you don't have a weaving machine, it's still okay. You can fold in the edges of the circle twice and then fold it in such a way that an elastic band that you're working on will be able to pass through. So guys, I'm actually done weaving around the circle. I actually took it to a weaving machine to weave it around. So the next thing I'm actually going to be doing is to be folding this in. I will be folding it around and then I'll take it to my sewing machine to sew it around. So I'll actually fold it in and then leave a space that an elastic band will be able to pass through, and also safety pin as well, and also leave 2 inches space. So like I said before, in case if you don't have a weaving machine or a weaving machine close to you that you can weave, you can still fold it in twice and leave 2 inches to be able to fix an elastic band inside the bonnet. So guys, I'm actually done sewing around the circle. As you can see, for mine I folded it once because I actually weaved the edges, and I left 2 inches space to be able to fix an elastic band inside the bonnet. So I have the elastic band I'll be making use of, and then I'll be measuring the round circumference of my head. As you can see, the elastic band is actually very stretchy, so I'll not be cutting it exactly. Like the round circumference of my head is 21 inches, but I'll be deducting 3 inches from it, making 18 inches because it's very stretchy and I wouldn't want it to be too loose or too tight on my head. So 18 inches is actually okay, so I'll just go ahead and cut out the elastic band. So the next thing I will do is to be using my safety pin to hold the elastic band to be able to fix inside the bonnet. So I'll be using this open space, this 2 inches open space, to be able to fix the elastic band inside the bonnet. So I'll just carefully take in the elastic inside the bonnet. So for this other side, I will just secure it with a needle, but in case if you have another safety pin, you can actually hold it so that it won't escape inside the bonnet. So after taking it out to this other side, I'll actually go ahead and remove the safety pin out, and I'll also remove the needle that I hold the other side as well. So I will be joining the both of them together. I will join it together and take it to my sewing machine and sew it with multiple stitches. So guys, I'm actually done doing that, as you can see. So I'll just go ahead and allow the elastic to go inside the bonnet, and then I'll take it to my sewing machine to sew the space that I left to be able to fix elastic inside the bonnet. So guys, I'm actually done doing that. I'm actually done sewing the space. So basically the bonnet is actually ready. So this is how everything is right now. It's actually simple and straightforward. So thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you all, and please don't forget to like this video if you find it helpful, and also comment down below your thoughts on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.